I should be over all the butterflies I've been to you. And baby, even all the worst nights.
'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle and I got another bomb wig. Okay, another wig you need in your stash. Honestly, I'm gonna say the construction of these new closure wigs, get every texture. Okay, just get every texture, stack your wigs up because they truly are the best wigs out from these companies. Wig construction is just that good. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Like I mentioned in the other video, I don't know why it took so long for them to get to where they're constructing these wigs like this, because they're so convenient. You don't have to prep the wig, they did it for you. This one did not come with baby hairs, but I had another curly wig that did come with baby hairs. What else? Bleaching the knots, I literally don't have to worry about that. It's just, they did a really good job, I'm curious to see if any of you guys got these new constructive type of wigs, like how your experience is with it. So if you have gotten a wig that's constructed like how I'm showing you or how I just showed you, leave a comment down below and let me know how your experience was. So even if it's from a different company, just let me know. So like I mentioned, it's very convenient. The only thing that I had to do, and it's my preference, was to put was to put my contour powder on the lace of this wig in the front, and then my concealer in the parting space. And like I said, that's just my preference. That's what I do with all of my wigs. You don't have to do that. So yeah, that's all that I did. It's like not much I can really say about this wig. It's bomb. I literally have nothing to say about it. You guys can look at it yourselves. This is gonna be a real quick video. I forgot to mention that this is 24 inches. It's a body wig texture, and the closure space, I believe, is a 6 by 4.5 lace. Hands down, it is the most convenient. Beginner, if you're not a beginner, like, it just don't matter. You're gonna love this wig. I guarantee it. I highly suggest getting this wig. It is a 6 by 4.5 lace closure, and it has the, I don't know what it's called. It's like a silicone fill around the cap so it doesn't slip and slide. It has combs. It does not have an adjustable strap, which I was worried about, but it is so snug. When I tell y'all I did not do anything to this wig, I didn't have to prep this wig. No plucking the lace. It came ready to be put on your head. So I'm gonna close out the video now before she gets too riled up. I really highly suggest getting this wig into your stash. It's just very easy, beginner friendly obviously, but it's just an on-the-go type of wig. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check y'all out in my next video. Bye.
forgive me. Just let me know everything gon' be okay. If I come out with everything I did, would you punish me even though I did a long time ago? If so, let me know. If I propose, would you say no? Would you break my heart?